Good day. I am going to create my tutorial on how to create a database using MS Access and the relationship of the table to another table. The relationship is 1:many. And also, I'm going to create the basic usage of queries, the inserting and deleting of rows. And let's start our tutorial. On your Start button, find Microsoft Office and then click MS Access. You will see that the first screen and you can create your database name. And let's rename our database. My database name is FBio. I will save it to the desktop and to easily find out. And then click Create. Right click the table 1 and then Design View. A pop-up window will appear. Rename it to TBL Info and then OK. Type studnum. Studnum or primary key. Always use concatenation or camel notation if you are typing in the field name. Don't forget the field properties, the field size. Studnum is default and fname is 50. Lname is also 50 and Ccode is 6. Right click and then save. And close. Double click TBL info and insert the following data. Right click TBL info and then save. On the menu bar, click create and then table design. Type Ccode and then C description. Don't forget the field size. Ccode is 6 and then C description is 15. Right click and then save. Right click the Ccode and then set it to primary key. A pop-up window will appear. You can rename it to TBL course. Then click OK. TBL course goes and then type some data. And then click save, then close. On the menu bar, click database tools and then relationship. A pop-up window will appear and then click TBL course and then TBL info. You can click add and then close. Drag the Ccodes to another Ccode. A pop-up window also and then click create. And then go to the TBL course And you can see that the positive sign on the left side of the C code, and click it to find out. You can see that the BSIT and BSCS are the categorized to their responsible courses. And next that we are going to do is our query, the inserting and deleting of our datas and rows. Close all the tables and then double click table info. On your menu bar, click create, design query design, and a pop-up window will appear and then close. On the screen, right click and then select SQL view. Type insert into TBL info. And then click run, and then yes. Go to the TVL info and then click refresh. And then you can see that you are inserted one data. And next we are going to do is deleting the last data that we are input. And then go to the query and then insert, and then you are type the delete from TBL info where file name click run and then yes. You can see that the last data that were inputted are deleted. And that's it. Our tutorial is done. And this is Sharmini Evie, and thanks for watching my tutorial.